Hey everybody, it's Chris and I'm back to do another pour with you today. If I could ask you a huge favor, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, would you please subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and I would really appreciate it if you would like and leave a comment. That's kind of one way that you can help support my channel, and I would really appreciate it. And I love to see your comments, especially when you tell me where you're from. So today I'm working on a 12 by 36. This is my third attempt at this canvas. I am trying to incorporate kind of the Shelee art style in pigments and the cell activator onto a really large canvas, but also using a blow dryer to help move the colors around. So I've tried this 3 times now. It has not worked out. So actually 2 times. It has not worked out. So I'm gonna try one more time and then I have to give it up for the day because I need to go in and make dinner. Do you ever have those quandaries where it's like, oh, it's just going so well and I just want to keep painting, and then it's like, sorry, you got to go make dinner? Well, that's probably how this is going to go. We'll see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and move my paint around, put my pigments down. I'm going to go ahead and put music on for you guys so you don't have to listen to me talk the whole time. All right, I think I finally have one that I love. This one is so pretty in person. I wish you guys could see. The gold is so pretty and shimmery. I love that I put that green in there. That really made it pop this time. So I would love it if there was a little bit more color here. I may try to use a straw and blow this down just a tiny bit to fill this end in because I really love all the color. The negative space is nice, but I think it's just a really beautiful soft painting. All right, guys, I think we're gonna keep this one. Third time is a charm. All right, thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.